Hey you guys, today we're going to be deheading, deveining, and peeling raw shrimp. Basically, pretty much this is what it'll look like. And the first thing you want to do is take the head off. Next, you're going to want to go around the body. You can just pull it down about that much, and then you can actually just pinch the tail and take the rest of it off. Now you have your shrimp. What we want to do here is go down the back side of it and look for the intestinal vein. And this one actually doesn't have one in it. We're going to do it again. Let's go around the top, pretty much, and just pinch the tail and just slide it on out. Well, that one didn't slide too good. So we're going to try this again and see if we can find that vein in the back. Okay, there it is. It's actually this. I hope you can see it. But you want to get that off. Get that out. That's kind of where you want it to look. We're just going to do a couple of more of these because this is real simple. Go ahead and take that skin off again. Pinch that tail. Go down the back, look for the vein. Just take your knife and just slide that right on out. And again, that's how you want it to look. Alright guys, this is going to be the last one I'm going to do because it's nothing to it. And I want to thank everyone that comes back and watch all of my videos and for subscribing and commenting. Please also like and subscribe if you haven't already. I try to get out at least 2 videos a week. If it's any suggestions you have, something you might like to see, please leave me a comment and I'll try to do that. But until then, have a great day and thanks for watching.